Property investors, your dreams hinge on the right team. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, still managing rentals in the Manawatu and the Taurua region. So here's the thing about successful property investing. You can't do it all yourself. You're only as good as your team. And trust me, I've learnt this the hard way over the years. Smart investors get that property investing is about leverage. You leverage your money, your time, and most importantly, other people's expertise. So, who should be on your dream team? You need real estate agents who get investors, ideally someone who's owned investment properties themselves and regularly works with people like you. They can have a huge impact on your results, so choose well. You also need solid relationships with reliable tradesmen, contractors who understand your vision and offer fair prices can save you thousands. The right tradies make everything smoother. A great property manager is key. They deal with your tenants on a day-to-day basis, and happy tenants tend to stay longer. That means stable, constant income. A mortgage broker is essential, someone who can help you navigate financing options. Find the best deal, leverage your borrowing power wisely. A good broker can save you money and a heck of a lot less stress. Also, there's your legal and financial experts, a solicitor who knows property law inside and out, an accountant who specialises in investment property. They'll structure everything correctly and keep you and your property safe. Now ask yourself, who do you need to add to your team? And just importantly, who might you need to sack? Remember, success in property investing isn't a solo endeavour. As Mitchell Kaplan said, to succeed as a team is to hold all members accountable for their expertise. So I hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.